Messaging, used by anyone from the student to the big shot manager. In the workplace, it has replaced emails as the primary communication solution. But is it for the better? Not always. So what is the goal of a business messenger? In our opinion, it should make you more efficient. It should connect you with your team in a slick manner, and it should remove redundant tasks. It should not be another thing that you and your team need to think about. That's where many business chats get it wrong in our opinion. One big American one recently reported that their average user would be active for 320 minutes every day.
Just tell them it's Slack.
It could be any chat.
They can simply Google the statistics.
Or it could be Teams or HipChat or...
We even wrote the whole conversation.
Look, the point is, you shouldn't spend 5 hours a day on your messenger. You should spend it on your projects, on your team. Spend it on the things you really need to work on. That's why an Atlassian Platinum partner approached us about a year ago to create the best JIRA integration for a messenger on the market. They used our sidebar widget and our public API to merge Grape with the most prominent project management tool in the world. Let's have our CTO Stefan explain to you how it works.
The problem with JIRA issues is that sometimes you want to discuss something about the issue, but it doesn't need to end up in the comments. What people do is they choose their favorite chat app to start a discussion about the issue, and you end up with undocumented details about the issue scattered throughout different chat groups. What we created is a JIRA sidebar chat integration. Our JIRA integration allows users to click a button to create a chat group right from the issue, and it will open as a sidebar. Which means you don't have to leave JIRA to chat about the issue. And if there is an important decision or anything else that is so important that it should be visible inside of JIRA, you can pin a message in Grape and it will appear above the comments in JIRA.